trumpet of the Lord shall sound, and time shall be no more. And the morning breaks eternal, bright and fair, when the saved on earth shall gather on the other shore, and the roll is called up yonder, I'll be there. On the bright and cloudless morning, when the dead in Christ shall rise, and the glory of his resurrection share, when his chosen ones shall gather to their home beyond the skies, and the roll is called up yonder, I'll be there. Yeah, I'll be there when he calls my name. I'll be there, no more sorrow and shame. When the shackles fall and freedom calls me home in the sky, when the roll is called up yonder, oh, I will be there. Let us lay before the Master from the dawn till